Monday, Monday, so good to me, so good to me. Monday morning, it was all I hoped it would be. Oh, Monday morning, couldn't guarantee that Monday evening you would still be here with me. Monday, can't trust that day. Monday, sometimes it just turns out that way. Oh, Monday morning, you gave me no warning of what was to be. Oh, Monday, how could you leave and not take me? Every other day, every other day of the week is fine, yeah. But whenever Monday comes, you can find me crying all of the time. Monday, so good to me. Monday morning, it was all I hoped it would be. But Monday morning couldn't guarantee that Monday evening you would still be here with me. Every other day of the week is fine, yeah. But whenever Monday comes, you can find me crying all of the time. Monday, can't trust that day. Monday, it just turns out that way. What Monday won't go away. Monday, it's here to stay. Oh,
Monday. Hey, it's my week. I don't know if it's my week, but I'm turning 37 years old this week. Good Lord, chat. What a wild time to be alive. Getting old, man, getting old. What am I gonna do? 30. I never thought I'd be 37, but we got all week to talk about it. Hey. Victoria keeps asking me, she's like, Patrick, where do you want to go for your birthday? You know, she's like, where do you want to go for your birthday? And I'm like, honestly, I don't want to go anywhere. You know, I don't know. It's a weird feeling. What am I going to do? Go pay a bunch of money to go sit by a pool somewhere at some fancy resort? You know? What am I going to do? What do I need to do? You know, what am I going to do? You know, what am I going to do? I don't know. I feel like for me, I've got the life, right? Like, I've got it. You know, I've got where where I live and how I live is exactly my vacation. You know, like most people, they go on vacation to get away from their lives. I'm looking around like, man, I'm pretty happy with my life, man. I'm pretty happy with life. You know? I don't know. What do you do? What do you get a man that has everything for his birthday? The $1 million question. Everybody needs the answer. Everybody. Oh yeah, by the way, we are, if you are interested, we are doing the thingy majiggy where you can send me a gift for my birthday. It's on Thursday. I'm gonna open it live on YouTube. Hopefully people send me some funny gifts. So then that way I can open them on the live stream. I think that would be so funny, wouldn't it? Don't send me anything weird, you weirdos. Someone's definitely gonna send me a fucking dildo. I already know it. I already know someone thinks they're funny and they're gonna be like, haha, Patrick, I sent you a dildo. I'm like, you're the idiot, not me. You sent it. All right. Try to find the frick. Where's the address for the P.O. box? The P.O. box address. Where did I posted it at one point, didn't I? Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did. I don't remember. I guess I didn't post it. All right. Well, the Nasdaq. Going. On the hourly chart right now, pulling back here. We got this big old bull flag, big move up there on Friday. We had Jerome Powell come out basically saying that they were going to cut rates. You know, they're going to cut rates real soon. So that's kind of letting the market know that it's coming. It's coming. What's coming? I don't know, man. I just know something's coming. Something's going to happen. Something is going to happen, man. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's going to be something. Where the fuck is the goddamn... Oh, trying to find this fucking address. Found it. Good Lord. All right. Putting my address in the chat. This is not my actual address, so don't come and try to murder me. But there it is. Figure it out. Patrick Wieland. If you want to send me a gift, like I said, I'm going to open it on Thursday. Thursday is going to be absolutely a great fun day. It's my birthday. We're doing a birthday stream. Birthday stream. That's right. Birthday stream. All right, looking at the hourly chart right now, kind of just pulling back here into this overall big old bull flag. You got 50% of that big old bull flag kind of in the middle there. I would say around, well, maybe a little higher than that. Like pretty much like right where, well, let's see. Where is 50% of this? That doesn't work that way. Never mind. Can't do it. Never gonna know. Fibonacci pullback. All right, we're getting the Fibonacci pullback. So, looks like right about now, 50% of the pullback. Yeah, right around here, right around my yellow line. Look at that. I'm like a human Fibonacci. I'm like a human Fibonacci candle. Fibonacci tool. That's me, baby. I'm a Fibonacci tool. We got a pivot point right there as well. 23,495. And we're getting fired up here for Mega Money Mondays. Trying to find good music is almost impossible. I need a full-time DJ. DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled. That's right. DJ Khaled in the house. What time is it? 8:48. We're live a little early today. Gotta like that dedication to the chat. You know, I show up early for you guys. I put it on for you. I put it on. Think about it. I haven't missed a day on the live stream other than when I was traveling. When's the last time I missed a day live streaming? You know, think about it. Other than when I was I had to because I was traveling for one day. I'm a warrior. I'm a soldier. I put in the work for you guys. I show up every day, no matter what. Rain, sleet, snow. I do it all. COVID, I got no matter what. I every possible disease, I've had it. Ain't none of it stopped me. Heart disease, brain disease, had them all. I had it all. I'll still show up for you. All right. Overnight right now, Nasdaq just kind of pulling back here. Nothing like out of the ordinary in terms of pull, like this move, just kind of slowly pulling back here into that previous big old bull flag, that 50% there, kind of right where that pivot point's actually at. There's a pivot point right there. Look at that. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. So we got a pivot point right there, 23,432. We've got Nvidia earnings this week as well. We got Nvidia earnings. We've got some other stuff going on. Nothing really out of the ordinary. I think a lot of people will be waiting to see what Nvidia does on Thursday. Is it Thursday or Wednesday? Let's see. Nvidia earnings. August 27th. Oh man, they're gonna release the earnings the day before my birthday. So if I don't show up to the live stream on my birthday, something bad happened. Okay, I lost all my money. If I'm not here on my birthday, that means, or wait, actually, hold on a second. If I don't show up, that means I made a lot of money. And if I do show up, that means that I probably lost a lot of money. So just put that out there. Fuck. I can't. If I lose on the earnings, then I gotta show up. You can't not show up if you lose, buddy. Ooh, I got an email here. It's got a little email. I got a little email here from My Funded Futures. What is My Funded Futures got something announcement at 9:15. They haven't told me what it is yet, but they better tell me what it is. They better tell me. Patrick, why don't you use AI for trading? Wait. You're telling me that I don't need to actually trade? All I need to do is do AI? Hold on. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait, you're telling me that I've been doing this wrong the whole time?
They don't believe how toxic this is.
Wait, hold on a second. All I need to do is use AI to make money? Yeah, I have been doing this shit wrong the whole time, man. The whole time. AI is used by many high-speed trading firms. Yeah, well, you know what else uses AI? You know what? Oh, man. All right. The Nasdaq, the ES, what do we got here? Very similar looking charts. Everything just kind of slowly pulling back there into that Friday pump. We got the Friday pump. We talked about this on Friday morning, that idea of taking out that high and then look at that thing just going to the absolute moon. The absolute moon. Uh-oh. I just got an alert. There's a deal happening. Something's happening here. My Funded Futures coming through. They're coming through with something. I don't know if I'm allowed to announce it yet. Am I allowed to announce it yet, only prop firms? Or do we have to wait till 9:15? Is it live? Is Apex gonna have 90% on your birthday? They might have 88%. 88% maybe. Wait until 9:15. Fuck. All right, I gotta wait till 9:15 before I can allow you guys to know what the deal is. Sorry. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry. But I'll let you know at 9:15, something big's popping. Let's just say don't buy a MFFU account until after 9:15. That's all I'm saying. You know, that's all I'm saying. No secrets. You know, no secrets. But if I was you, I would not buy an account until after. All right. Nasdaq right now pulling back there. ES there, 6,646. All right, always nothing like a good week to start off, you know? Nothing like a good week to start off here. Got some big sales coming up. Ooh, buddy, who's ready? I'm ready. He's 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 ready. It's not going to be 15% off resets. Relax, chat. Relax. Okay, relax. It's going to be better than that. All right, it's going to be way better than 15% off resets. Resets, okay? No resexing going on in here. Oh, yeah. And the best part is My Fun of Futures gave me 2 accounts to trade today with you guys. So this is this is what we'll do. I got a deal. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but I'm going to try it, right? I'll try it today. I got 2 brand new My Fun of Future 150K accounts. So let's, I'll try to pass them with you guys this week. How about that? And no promises. I might blow them up, to be honest. You never know. I'm dangerous. So we'll see. Got news here at 9:15. Someone said my coupon code is going to get you laid. I don't think my coupon code works for online websites like that, my friend. Bitcoin down 3% right now. Anybody buying the dip on Bitcoin? Who's buying Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Someone said, "What did I miss? Sorry, I'm late." Hey, dude, I just gave away $1 million. You didn't. Everybody in the chat got $1 million a piece. I can't believe you missed that. Man, you missed out on that. Damn, man. Tori put a new video about her trading journey. I'm gonna pass on that. Watching a video of Tori Trade's trading journey is literally like hypnotizing yourself into your balls falling off. It's like video castration. If you're a man and you're watching videos of Tori Trade's trading journey, just go ahead and just fucking let your balls fall off now. Just get it over with. It's no longer chemical castration. You know, now it's fucking video castration. Watching a video from some fucking girl on the internet trying to tell you how her trading journey went. Go ahead and just let your balls fall off. Just let them shrivel up and fall off. Just go ahead and put them in your wife's, hey, put your balls in your wife's boyfriend's purse, okay? All right, that's what you can do. How about that? Catch me outside. All right, Nasdaq just kind of slowly moving on down here. We've taken out all the lows. We're at the lows, so we'll see what happens here at open. Big pullback, not a big pullback. Pullback obviously from the Friday high, but with the news that Jerome Powell probably more eager to cut rates sooner than later, market should be happy about that. Look at that. See, y'all know about that. Video castration. Video castration. Let's see if it's possible. I'm going to go ask the AI on Google. Video castration. See, look. Can you be castrated by watching videos? The best is, it says, no, you cannot physically be castrated by watching a video, but the video can create intense anxiety. It can create psychological stress. It can create body dysmorphia. It could create sexual dysfunction. See? I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Tory Trade's videos are actual video castration. They're making all you guys have more anxiety, so then you have to buy the course, right? She talks about her anxiety because of her millionaire lifestyle. She talks about how much anxiety she has from it and what it's like to be lonely when you're rich. You know what I say? I say, hey, guess what? I'm rich and lonely too. But that's what happens. You know, it's lonely at the top. You know, it's low. Like people like, hey, when you're poor, you know, you got no money. What do? You sit around with a bunch of other poor people talking about fucking being poor. When you're rich, you just do whatever the fuck you want. You don't need to sit around talking to anybody. Welcome to the real world. All right, let's stop watching them video castrated. Hey, like I told Victoria over the weekend, she's like, what do you want to do for your birthday? You want to do something? I'm like, I don't want to do nothing. I'm like, my life is every day I wake up and do exactly what I want to do. Nothing, whatever I want to do, you know? That's the greatest gift right there. That's my birthday gift every day. If you're waiting until your birthday to get excited to do something, if you're not doing nothing, you know, like if the highlight of your fucking day is it's your birthday, oh hey, it's my birthday. If that's the like, I don't give a fuck. Be like, it's my birthday. Oh, who the fuck cares? I ain't celebrating my birthday. I ain't celebrating it. I like how, hey, Yahoo Finance, the headlines of today. Stocks pull back after rally. Retail results this week. That's the top stories from Yahoo Finance. Hey, everybody. The big news today, big news this morning is, if you look at the charts here, all right, pull up the charts. If you can see here, market's pulling back here. Top story of the day. Top story. I gotta step up my game, man. Someone said Tori is a supermodel. Ain't no 4 foot tall supermodels. Hey, they don't give out supermodel titles to 4 foot tall girls. Okay, no offense to the 4 foot tall girls out there, but ain't nobody fucking, you know, ain't nobody giving no girl, they giving no supermodel. Yeah, I'm a supermodel, exactly. Edson Cardoza said hi to Brazil. Fuck. Buena noche. No. Portuguese. Muito bom. Had a brain fart there. My Portuguese. Bom dia. There you go. Bom dia. Yes, I knew it was one of those. It's been a while since I've been around the Brazilians. Bom dia. There you go. Look at that. Dude. Only prop firms knows. Hey. By the way, everybody in the chat, my life partner, my business partner, my forever partner, he had a baby this weekend. Him and his beautiful wife, they already have a beautiful son, and they had their second son. So we got a new pair of balls to come to the BDH. Little baby boy. Congratulations to Only Prop Firms there in the chat. His BDH membership has been granted. Born into a lifetime of BDH membership life. Him and Landon and Axel are going to be taking over the world one day. I don't know what kind of crazy shit they're going to be doing, but you know they'll be doing something wild. They're going to be doing something wild. Jumping over fucking piers and going to the moon. Hey, look at that. Hey, Alex, think about this. You got the Kitchen Boys. You got the Kitchen Boys. Think about that. The new Kitchen Boys. Landon and Axel. The three of them traveling around the world, filming their adventures. Could be a thing. Could be a thing. Could be a thing. All right, Nasdaq right now holding up there, 23,480s. Little pop, 15-minute chart, just kind of dipping. Will this be the big kind of just slow pullback into open, and then we rip higher? We got Nvidia earnings this week. We had Jerome Powell coming out earlier this week. Jerome Powell, well, last week he came out on Friday talking about cutting rates. Supposedly, Trump is working on some new stuff as well, so. Michael Pitts said, guess we're not talking about the market. Hey, Michael Pitts, I'm gonna go ahead and help you out. Check out the VIP room, all right? Have fun in there. Have fun in that VIP room for the rest of your life. Hey, Patrick doesn't talk about the markets. Relax. Relax. I ain't your bitch. I don't think people have figured that out yet. I ain't nobody's bitch. Don't be coming up here telling me what to do, how to live my life, boy. Boy. I'm pretty hyped up for this week. I think there's gonna be some cool stuff going on this week. My birthday. I'm thinking like, I don't know. I'm thinking something crazy for my birthday. Oh, the thing won't stay up there, man. What a joke. What a joke. What a joke. Oh, what a joke. Oh, perfect. Made a star. Star on me. What should I do for... I think I got the plumber's crack. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, chat. Sorry. It's my torso. These shirts. My boobs are getting too big, and I'm making the shirts getting too big. Everything getting too big. Real big. How big? Real big. Patrick, PW, did you ever grow long hair? Think it would be dope. Dude, I don't know. I look like a weirdo with long hair. Imagine me with long hair. What would that look? Someone make it on AI. Somebody make it on AI really quickly. Let me see the AI version of Patrick Wheel with long hair. What's the drill for? Well, you know, if shit hits the fan, boys, if shit hits the fan, we're gonna get into it. All right? Always ready. Always ready. Got my Ferrari key. Got my little keys. Got my wallet. Alligator skin. Oh yeah. Got my money. Got my money. And we're ready. Doo-doo-doo. All right, we got some big news coming out. Big news coming from My Funded Futures here in about 5 minutes. We're breaking the news live on OnlyPropFirms.com. OnlyPropFirms.com, the latest and the greatest. By the way, what do we got this week for news? We got the news. Everybody wants the news. News for me and yous. Yous and me. You and me. We're gonna be together forever and ever, ever. Woo! Woo! I'm so excited to announce the news. I don't know if I can wait. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm like a little kid. I'm like a little fat kid. I'm like a little fat kid waiting for a cake. What the fuck is this?
No matter your industry.
Now we're running ads. Oh God. Running ads on the stream. Oh God. Oh my God, now there's a Tradeify ad. Someone's running a Tradeify ad on my stream. Get out of here. Brett Simba trying to take my customers. Yo, I need some music here. What do you mean MFFFF air? They already posted it? Those motherfuckers. Did they really? Let me see. I don't think so. Did they? Can't tell.
Eventually, the checkout point.
But yeah, longs my slow parts are you.
Morning. How's everyone?
As for today,
Well,
What are you talking about? They didn't release no news yet. Do-do-do-do. I can't keep a secret. Mr. Wall Street, uh-oh. That girl's coming to the BDH at the end of September. Uh-oh. Hello? Yo. You pocket dial me? My dad, he pocket dialed me. God, I got all excited. I thought he was gonna call me and talk to me, but no, just pocket dialed. Never mind. Daddy? Nope. Just kidding. Damn it. Sorry, Dad. My daddy don't love me no more. Dude, this photo right here. I don't know why it doesn't come up in my desktop. Why does it not come on my desktop? Oh, here it is. Look at this photo of me. This is it, boys. What do you think? If I grow out my hair, I think it would be a vibe, man. Send us to Victoria. Victoria, what do you think? Dude, why did the AI make me look like that? Why did the AI make... I'm gonna, like... I don't know. Why did the AI make me look like that? Why I look so angry? I'm like an angry rock star. I'm like a 1980s rock star looking angry guy. I don't know, man. I don't know if that looks like me or not. What else is going on here on Twitter today? What do we got? Look at my Ferrari. Ooh. And before everybody says, oh my God, the editor killed it. I took these photos, by the way. Okay, Patrick Wieland. I used to be a photographer, and now I just take photos of my own car. I think it looks sick as fuck though. Got the Liberty Walk Ferrari. Took it out this weekend for a little drive. Had a little car show on Saturday night. Those white wheels though, man. Them white wheels be looking good. Haters will say it's rented. Yes. This is me driving my Lamborghini. V12, man. You can't beat the V12. I don't care what anybody says. V12, best car there is. Also, by the way, my truck is still for sale. Anybody want to buy my truck? You can buy it right now. Only $55,000. Literally, go buy it, okay? Go buy my truck. Please help me. It's for sale, okay? Just letting y'all know. What else we got? Oh, this is us riding our little bicycles this weekend. We got 15 minutes here till the news. Got a minute. We got news coming out. Big news here with My Fun Features. Stick around. Don't go anywhere. But this is me riding my bicycle. Look at me. Wow. And this is my this is me making the video. I made this video too. I made this video. I'm an artist, okay? I'm an artist. Look at that thing. All right. Focus, people. Focus. All right, we're gonna announce the news here. The big deal that's happening right now. That's right. There's a big, massive deal happening. It's gonna be huge. I'm gonna announce it here in a minute. Just get ready for the news to come out. Give me five seconds, people. 5 seconds. Hold on 1 second. I'm just fixing this really quickly. All right. Hold on. Yeah, like right there. Okay. All right, so the news, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Here we go. I don't know if anybody knows, but the news is, oh, wait a second. It's already been, it's 33% off my funded futures on the 100K and the 150K accounts. That's your, what is that? Can we switch up the music? Fuck, okay.
These are the day trip lunch boxes, lunch bag, and tote.
Dude, it's so hard to find good music, I swear.
Built with similar materials as whitewater.
Shut up!
So they can handle the day's farm.
God. La la la. Na 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 na. All right. Yes, so my funded futures. They've got a couple different deals right now. I guess a couple different types of accounts, right? They've got the scale, the core. The core is only the 50K account. So now you have the pro and you have the scale account. The pro account is $477, and well, with 33% off, you run the numbers there. 33% off right now. Use the code PW for my funded futures there. Also, we got the $50 deal still at Funny Ticks as well there. So getting ready here for market open. It's time. Woo! Am I only supporting MFFU now? I support everybody, man. Whoever pays me $1 million, I support. I mean, whoever is the best prop firm, that's the one that I promote. Something like, what you talking about, Willis? Hey, I mean, haters gonna hate. All I know is you check it out if you want to. You can. How much is that right now? That deal. Let's look. I'm gonna look. I knew people wouldn't be happy either way. Oh, Bajic, it's a deal. What a joke. What a scam. Oh, I mean, whatever, bro. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Dude. All right, so it's $250. $250, 33% off for the 150K scale account. So $250, that's activation, that's everything. If you're interested, check it out. It's not the cheapest deal ever, but it's 33% off. It's a lot better than they normally do. So just put that out there. How many accounts can you buy? I'm not sure. Deals, there'll probably be some good deals on the birthday too. I know Apex is gonna come out with something hot. Funding Ticks, Take Profit Trader maybe, who knows? Is the Pro Plus Funding Ticks an eval or a straight to fund? It's an eval. What's the birthday deal? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's my birthday. 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 It's a birthday. It's a birthday. Birthday. What are we doing today? Are we going long or short? What do we got, chat? Let's hear it. I want to see where's the geniuses at? Where's Warren Buffett at today? Where's the Warren Buffett at? Come on now. Tell me what it is. Who's long? Who's short? What's the move today? I want to know. Look at y'all. You can never agree. Watch. We'll do a poll right now. Up or down today. Nobody can agree. Watch. Watch. Watch the poll. Watch the poll here. Up or down. Ain't nobody gonna agree. No way. No way. It'll be 50-50. Watch. 50-50. 50-50. Ooh, 58%. 58% right now. Okay, okay, Billy. %, you crazy boys. Crazy, crazy. We got no. Oh, we do have 10 o'clock news today. We have new home sales. New home sales today at 10 o'clock. We got some soybean export soybean inspected. We got a 6-month bill auction later on today at 11:30, so a little bit of stuff going on. But other than that, not a lot of big news this week. The big news really this week is not till Thursday or so. So last week had a lot of news stuff going on, and this week some stuff. I think someone was saying that Trump is going to sign some executive orders here. So Nvidia earnings on Wednesday. That'll be big. 100%. I need Nvidia to go up, by the way. If you can make a phone call, if anybody can buy some Nvidia, thank you very much. All right, 15-minute chart right now. We got a little bit of a double bottom down here for now. I'd say this is kind of looking like maybe a bear flag. If we could pull back, we got this pivot point to the downside there, 23,432. That could be the pullback, and then we can maybe then start to push back up from there. If not that, then, well, what else we got? We got this kind of just sloping downward momentum right now. We got the VWAP to the upside. We do have the gap fill. Gap fill puts us back to the 23,570s. So if we get above, let's say we get above, 500 right there, kind of push up here, might just go straight to the fucking fill that gap at open if the bulls come to play. Obviously, the market can go up, it can go down. We don't really care. Just kind of looking at the possible scenario, what I want to see happen here at open, right? What do I want to see happen? If I'm looking for a long, well, then obviously we got to get kind of above that VWAP. We got to get above that 500 level. If I'm looking for the shorts, to be honest, I'm not really looking for the shorts, but I might be wrong. I'd be looking for the long more than the short. If we do, like I said, if we kind of pull back down to here, maybe that's our launch pad to push up. That's the only thing. I'd be like, maybe like we kind of swipe this double bottom right there, and then we kind of come back up. Might be something to think about. On the hourly chart, you can see decent amount of wick there on the hourly chart. Not so much looking like a bear flag on the hourly chart as, you know, this obviously kind of was a nice little bear flag to move down there, where like now it's like it's kind of just getting really tight like this. So that's kind of like, okay, maybe we could dip down into that 450 area, and then we kind of get that reversion push back up. Not about reversion, but reverse push back up there. So let's see what happens. Open will definitely take all the shorts, then bounce back up. Okay. We got 6 minutes here till market open. No rush. We're here to have fun. We're here to make some money. Let's just do exactly that, all right? Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. On the 5-minute chart, you can see here, got the VWAP there, 522. We got a pivot point to the downside there at the 432s. On the ES as well, ES kind of the same exact thing as the Nasdaq. You've got that gap fill from the Friday close. Friday close there, 6,486.85 level. So we are gapping to the downside. We're below the VWAP on all of this stuff right now. And 15-minute chart here, kind of the same thing. Whereas the ES already kind of took out this low from earlier. So we swiped that low on the ES already. The Nasdaq did not swipe that low. So, we'll see. $1 million question. Which way do we go? Up or down at open? The good thing is we got plenty of time. We got a whole week ahead of us. Don't feel like you got to put on a trade in the first 1 minute. I already see the future. I'm like, first 1 minute, 20 trades later. Patrick Wieland. Yeah, baby. Sometimes I just get excited, man. I get excited. All right? I'm trying to not get excited today. Let's not get excited. All right, we got that VWAP there. 520 for the VWAP. 5 minutes till open. It's Monday. Relax. Amen, brother. Amen. It's Monday. Relax. Oh. I see everything. I see everything, chat. I see it all. I see it all. Nasdaq kind of pushing in here, pushing into a 495 level. We got the VWAP. If you're looking at the charts right now, what I'm looking at up here, I've got the QQQ, I've got the NQ, I've got my personal account, I got the TradeEvade accounts, and Nvidia, we got Apple, I got Nvidia over here again. I need to change that. Got the 1 hour chart for NQ, I got the ES, and then I got the YM. So the Dow, the ES, I want to see all three of those things kind of moving together. And that's what I got pulled up over here on the left. So this is 4 vertical monitors set up. And we're ready to go right now as we prepare for market open. I got a little bit of time. Right now, Nasdaq just pushing straight up here. Rut-row. Rut-row. Those are LG 4K ultra fine monitors. I think they're 32 inches. The big news today in the prop firm space, deal-wise, My Fund of Futures is 33% off the 100K and the 150K accounts. That includes the activation fee and all that. It's only for 100K and 150K accounts, the starter or the other one that they have, whatever one that is. Here we go. Market is open. So far, up there above the 500s for now. Right there, the VWAP there. Tapping on the VWAP there for now. Will she break through VWAP here? That gap fill, like I said, puts us all the way there to the 570s. VWAP resistance for now. I want to see us like stay above this 500 level. Right? If we get back below 500s, the bears are in control. Really got to get like this, some kind of structure. I want to see a higher low. Before I get long, I want to see like a higher low up in the 500 level. See how that's just like straight down now? That's what I don't want to see there. Straight to the lows now. Let's see what happens here. We took out the lows now. The ES is trying to hold up. Nasdaq's trying to hold up here. Would need to like really start ramping back up, squeeze some shorts if they're gonna do that. Just kind of being patient here. We're holding those lows for now. Stuck there below the EMAs still. Bit of a battle here. The ES having some trouble. Nasdaq having some trouble. Just can't get above that 480s again. Down there to the 460s one more time. Waiting to kind of just be patient here. Let this 15-minute range play out. Straight down so far. Nvidia sold off at open. Nasdaq obviously pulling back there as well. Still holding those lows there. We got our 15-minute range. Still plenty of time here. Not even been 5 minutes. Not even been 5 minutes yet, chat. See if we can start ramping it up here now. Look at that little push right back up off the 60s now. They get through this 480 area, should try to go. VWAP up there at the 512s. The ES kind of trying to go as well. Nasdaq trying to go here. Well, again, like maybe putting on a long here. See what happens here, this 480 area now. If we can hold 480s and push up and go long. Right there, those EMAs now. Can't hold the 480s for now. Ooh, back up. Let's try a long here. Stop below the 70s there. Need to go up, try to target the high, opening range high there now. Still holding here, just can't get through there for now. Giving a little bit of room. There's some orders out here above 500 to get pushed into. Oh, buddy. Gotta get through this 500 level. Come on, Nasdaq. Looks good. Taking some profit here. Back up to the VWAP. Take a little bit more there at 503 just to guarantee I lock in some. Try to get some profit locked in here. And then try to let the rest of these ride. Stops are in the green now. Get up there through the VWAP next. I like it. Need some more out of it though. Take out that opening range high. I'm gonna trail this a little bit. Putting some right there at 503 on that one. Got 3 contracts left. The rest of my stops still break even there. We can't lose, but we're there at the VWAP now. Might be the resistance for a little bit, for another pullback maybe. Or we just get through the VWAP here, even better. That's why we're trailing. The ES and the Nasdaq right there at the VWAP now. We'll pull back here. Probably expected that pullback, so We're right there at the fucking VWAP, man. Stuck at the VWAP for now. Little pullback here. Let's see what happens. 15-minute range. Still locked in $1,000 there on 5 contracts. Just needed more power to get through the VWAP for now. This is when I like to just kind of look at the bigger picture, start to kind of see, okay, 5-minute chart. What do we got going on? We're just kind of not really going anywhere and stuck in the 15-minute range for now. So now I'm just like, hey, let's just see what happens. Get out of this range here. 15-minute, the high. Ooh, nice little pushback up there. 5-minute candle. No reason to short or anything yet. Just kind of wait for this range to really break now. Because it's like whichever way this range breaks, that's kind of just the next direction. And we're consolidating here. So. Nvidia pulling back here again as well. ES is kind of holding up a little bit better than the Nasdaq right now. Look how the ES is, I guess, kind of similar, but a little bit different here. In the sense that the ES is like kind of at the top of that range right now, where the Nasdaq's in the middle of the range. If the Nasdaq follows the ES here, that gap fill 483 on the ES, that I think the Nasdaq could go for that gap fill up there to the 570s. So that dotted line on the chart is the gap fill, previous day close. The Dow pushing back up here. ES is trying to push back up. I think maybe back above 500, another long. If we get back above 500, it might be another long opportunity. Getting tight here. I'm not against it. A little push here. Still stuck there below 500 for now. I'm gonna try it. Stop right below the low of this candle. I'm still targeting that 520, 530 area, even more maybe, depending what happens here. Ooh. Almost stopped out right there. Oof. Wow. A little bit more chop there. We might get stopped out. I'm gonna stop it down here a little bit lower. Just kind of chopping here and stopped out there for now. Fucking A. Gotta wait for that range break, Patrick. Right back down there again. Classic. Classic Nasdaq. Got a little bit of news here at 10 o'clock. Nasdaq back to the lows again. ES just kind of FOMO'd me into that. Damn you, ES. Damn you. Nasdaq stuck there at the VWAP again. Back to the lows. Fucking hey, look at that. All right, Nasdaq down there to the lows again, 455s. Everybody in the chat yelling about getting short. Go ahead and get short. It's totally fine. I won't be mad if you do. Pushed it right back up there again. Just chopping around here in the 15-minute range. $15-minute range chopping right now. Nasdaq just stuck here in the middle of it. It's Monday. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up the like button. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Help me help you, please. We got 6,200 people watching right now. That's right. Make sure you're back here on Thursday. We got some big stuff coming. And I'm not talking about BBCs. I'm not talking about no big boner candles. I'm talking about actual shit going on at the BDH on Thursday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I told Ginger, just go ahead and just buy and do whatever you want. Just go crazy, Ginger. It's my birthday. I told her. I said, I don't want to plan nothing, but I want you to plan everything. So I have no idea. Ginger's a pretty wild person. So I don't know what she's gonna order. She might order some male strippers. Might be some, I don't even know what's gonna happen. It could get wild. You gotta be here for Thursday. Nasdaq right back up here again, off the lows, holding up there for now. They just wanted to go lower before going higher, they said, you know? Right? Nasdaq, that what you wanted to do? You just wanted to go down before you went up. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, yep. That's exactly what they wanted. What a little booty hole. A little pain in my booty hole, Nasdaq. You a pain. What we thinking? What we thinking, chat? We back in the longs here? Are we back in the longs? We got to get above the VWAP maybe. I don't know. Edward said no. Why, Edward? Why no, Edward? Why? Above the VWAP, didn't get long. Okay. Okay, Edward. Do. All right, Nasdaq just chopping around here in the middle of the 15-minute range. The ES, the Nasdaq, both very similar. I mean, it's just kind of chopping here, to be honest. Not really anything out of the norm. Nothing out of the norm here. Sitting right there at the little thingy-majiggies. Little EMAs. Hermes EMAs. Well, they put in another lower high here. Another lower high. I think technically that's not good. Not good for the bulls, but gotta see what happens here. Getting very tight. Getting real tight. We got ranges, we got triangles inside of ranges, we got boxes inside of boxes, triangles and lines and trends and lines and boxes and boxes. We need more boxes. We got to put more boxes, chat. We got to get more. We need more boxes everywhere. Boxes, boxes, boxes. If you want to make money, you got to draw more lines. We got to put more, you need more charts, more lines, more stuff to look at. More stuff. More stuff to look at here. What would Johnny Boy Cummings do right now? Fuck. Ain't that the question? That is the question. Paulo Framachko says Nasdaq short. Paulo, how about this? You go short, I'll go long. And then if you lose, I win. If you win, I win. You know what I mean? I gotta put I need a safety line here. Hold on a second. Where's my safety line at? Someone said they're gonna get long above 500. Fuck, I don't know, man. Right now, I would do nothing. Do nothing. I do nothing in the bathroom. Uh-oh. Ruben said this wants to drop like a coconut. Uh-oh. Ruben. Ruben. Here he goes. The coconut is going to rocket. Is it chopping? Yeah, no, I think so. I think so, chat. The gap from Friday's close is 570 area. Market right now chopping around here. Chopping around here. Need that Nvidia pump. Come on, Nvidia, pump it up. Need Trump to just tweet that Nvidia is the best stock ever. It's the best. Best stock ever. Ruben, which way does the coconut go? Up or down? We got 5 minutes till the news here. Sorry, I'm tweeting something right now. I'm trying to tweet something. Trying to make the market go up. I'm tweeting right now, chat. I'm tweeting. I just tweeted the market's gonna, good time to buy. Let's see. Let's see if the Twitter is gonna pump the market. Good time to buy, chat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Market manipulation. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Don't do it. I just told my Nana, I said, Nana, it's a good time to buy TQQ. Go long TQQ. It's all I said. I did not say anything else. All right. The fact that it's going up right now, it's a coincidence. All right. I have no idea what's happening. Ruben, which way does the coconut go? The coconut. The coconut. Ruben likes to play with the coconuts. The coconuts. I love you, Ruben. I love you. Have some. Put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Come on, Nvidia, pump it back up there. We're above the Friday close now on Nvidia. Can we get some pumpity pumping? Pump it up. Can't you pump it up? Do we want you to pump it up? Don't you know pump it up? You got to pump it up. Don't you know pump it up? You don't do pump it up. Do pump it up. I know I'm ready to do it down the dance floor.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that.
Make my day.
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 Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up, pump it up. Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up, pump it up. Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up, pump it up. Yo, pump up the jam, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it.
Oh, Ruben. When is Ruben gonna learn? When is Ruben gonna learn who the real daddy is around here? You know what I mean? When's he gonna learn? When's he gonna learn? Ruben, when are you gonna learn? Ruben, did you not say in the post, you said that the market was gonna drop like a coconut? You don't get to go, no, Ruben. Ruben. No. What the fuck? Yes, but I know how to switch my head. Yo, you don't. Ruben, you don't know how to switch. Don't you ever switch on me, Ruben. All right, I'm just saying the fact of the point. The story here is the fact that, like, I just don't know why. Why do you just, Ruben, in the future? Oh my God. Holiday Horde ad. Oh God. In the future, instead of saying that, oh, this market's gonna drop like a coconut, just don't say anything. You know what I mean? Like, if you're gonna go long or you're gonna go short at the drop of a dime, then don't say either. You know what I mean? Like, just be like, I'm waiting for something to happen. You know what I mean? Like, that's the moral of the story. Be like, hey, you know, no coconut today. Just waiting for the market to move here. You know, just chilling right now. But when you come into the chat and you say, oh, hey guys, the market's gonna drop like a coconut. Basically, like, you're saying, hey, I think the market's gonna drop. Right? So, like, I just think you should not say that. That's all, you know? And also, it's like, the thing too is the fact that, like, I think that people do is they say things, right? People like go on the stream and they'll be like, Patrick, the market's gonna drop like a coconut. And then that way, like, if the market does drop, you know, an hour later, you're gonna be like, I told you so, Patrick. I told you the market was gonna drop like a coconut. And then I say, well, yeah, you know, it could go up or it could go down. So, like, I think the best thing to do is just don't say. You know, that's all. Because, like, hey, you know, I was telling the chat, like, hey, I believe the market's gonna go up, you know. And I said, hey, you know, the market's like, I posted on Twitter, the market's gonna pump, and then it went up. Now I'm gonna drop like a watermelon. I love you, Ruben. We're just fucking with you. I need something to talk about. People, nothing against Ruben. It's just a joke. But I do think that it is kind of funny because, you know, like I said, people love to sit here and be like, I told you so, Patrick. See? Told you it was gonna drop like a coconut. Patrick, why'd you not? Patrick, why'd you not get in short? Patrick, why'd you not short? Patrick, what? Like, literally, where's the guy earlier that was saying, Patrick, please, you must short now. You must short now, Patrick. You know, like, guys, don't listen to anybody in the chat, please. You know what I mean? Like, just don't do it. You know, please, I beg you. The chat is not your friend. The guy in the chat that's screaming about it being a short, he gonna be wrong. You know, majority of the time, he gonna be wrong. He ain't gonna be right. You know, that's just the truth of it, to be honest. You know, that really is just the truth. Also, Ruben, in the chat, you said that the market was really weak and it couldn't fill the gap. So, again, it's just like, what made you think the market was really weak? You know? Well, what made you think it was really weak? That's all. You know, I'm just saying. It just, you know. Just, I was saying, you know, whatever. I'm just saying. Yes, I got long there. Sold into that push of the 540s. We had one winning trade, one losing trade, another winning trade, and you can see in this account, we made $700. No coconuts needed, just trading. And then in my personal account, we made money as well. Make the money, 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 money. And by the way, people, I don't make any money trading. I'm a scam. What you should never believe anything you see on the internet, so don't do it. If you know what I mean, okay? All right. Perfect. Now that we got that out of the way, I want everyone to know. No secrets here. No secrets. I'm trying to pull up my personal account here without showing all my information that's going to make everybody come to my house and rob me. Don't rob me, please. Oh, yeah, definitely going to get robbed now. All right. So I made $8,000. This is my cash account. I put $50,000 at the beginning of this month. To be honest, it ain't been going that good. It really hasn't been. Just been a bit of a battle. I've got a $10,000 max loss limit on this account. I was long this morning into this dip at open and then selling into this push. My last sell right there at 534. So I'm like, ooh, might get some more pushy here. Looking like she might go kind of break out here, push up there towards that 560 area there next. Nvidia pushing up here, 179 now. I'm dick deep in Nvidia right now. Guys, you don't even understand. ES is struggling. This is the biggest my dick's ever been. Right now. Right here. Right now. It's a true story. You don't even believe me. People don't even believe me. They don't even know. You know, people don't even know. True story. Right here. Right? Where's that? I need that song. Is that this one? Oh, yeah. Great song. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. You know, I always imagine my life being a movie, right? And then I hear these songs, and this would be like a soundtrack to my life. These different, songs. I imagine like what the editor would put to this, right? What would the editor cut here? What would I be doing? Walking down the beach in Hawaii, exploring the mountains of the Himalayas, on a boat sailing to the Galapagos, flying to the moon. What could be here? Editor, get to work. All right, Nasdaq pushing to the upside here, up there to the 550s. Ooh. Still making more, still making more. Right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Yeah, I need like a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe test that 520 area again, but Nvidia, everything else, Apple going to the moon right now. I don't really see any reason. I mean, after what happened last week with Powell, I feel like it's hard to be a bear. You know? I feel like it's hard to be a bear right now. All right. I got 2,500 shares of Nvidia there. It's like backwards, but I got it. 2,500 shares of Nvidia. I'm up $10,000 on Nvidia, swing trading this into the ER. Should I take profit? I'm long from basically, I think, like 170s. Questions. Little pullback here on the Nasdaq. See if we'll pull back into the 520s or so. It's weird how the Dow is making new lows right now. I don't know about all that. What's up with that? Y'all see that? Why is the Dow making new lows right now? just noticed that. The Dow's making new lows. The ES is struggling. These longs might be in trouble up here. Trying to figure out why the Dow is making new lows right now. The Dow's making new lows. The ES is kind of stuck at the VWAP. Really, I guess just the market pumping with Nvidia here.
When it comes to back to school shopping,
dude,
Target, we believe the best
what is
choice
this? Why do I keep getting ads on? Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong. I'm on my. Gotta get on the Patrick Wieland fucking YouTube. There we go. Now we're back. Nasdaq trying to like do something here, but just not really going anywhere right now. I think it's might be some trouble here for the Nasdaq if they start to pull back here now. What that is. The price is gonna fly like a coconut through the air today. All right, so look how the ES is just like going nowhere. The Nasdaq broke out already. The ES is kind of looking like kind of a bear flag here. Look at the ES really having trouble there. The Dow, look at the Dow right now as well. Dow's going straight down. Let me pull up the Dow here for you guys. Look at the Dow. Fucking A, YM. The Dow really having trouble there. I do not like the longs on the Nasdaq here. You got the Dow selling off like that. Big bear flag right now to the downside. 45,500. Something is happening. Dow's down. ES is just kind of holding up there. Yeah, I think the longs on this NQ move might not be the way. I don't know. What do we got here?
Come my lady, come my lady.
Be some work music for serious grind. That's the name of the playlist, all right? Serious playlist. I still don't know why. Why is the Dow moving down like that? What is happening right now? What is happening right now, chat? Now it's back up. Nasdaq back, pushing up here. Little bull flag break out there again. What the fuck? What is happening? The coconuts. We need more coconuts. Ruben said the drop is coming now. Uh-oh. Today might be a good day to just do the exact opposite of whatever Ruben posts in the chat. If Ruben says the drop is coming, it's time to get short. If he says the pump is coming, it's time to get long. Or the dump of the pump. Navigating turbulence right now. I love that Nvidia's up right now. That's nice. I can sell my Nvidia position, walk away right now, be up 250,000 on it, or get out for 250,000, and then I go buy a car. Or I can just sell Nvidia shares, right? And then buy call options. $250,000 worth of 0-day options. Dave TV is going to start a opposite Ruben fund. Why don't, hey, don't do, hey, Ruben's not wrong all the time, okay? He just gets a little excited sometimes. Gets a little excited sometimes. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I don't disagree with Ruben. Like the fact that we filled the gap now, we might chop back down. You know, at this point, I think we could start to pull back here, but I don't know. Let's just say I'm not getting long. You know what I mean? Like I ain't getting long right now. But that might not just don't mean that don't mean I'm short, but I ain't long. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. I'm just flat. No, I got a big booty. I ain't flat. I ain't flat. You saw me shaking my ass. What you talking about flat? I ain't no flat ass. Come on now. Come on now. Eyeball right celebrities. Hey PW, your stream is addictive. No homo. No, that definitely sounds a little homo. But I'll take it. I'll take it. Right now I'm flat here. Trying to pull up something else. All right, who's gonna buy my truck? Seriously. Someone out there, there's gotta be someone watching this stream right now that knows somebody that wants to buy a truck. Somebody wants to buy it. 55,000 right now. Or you know what I mean? Somebody wants to buy a truck. This thing, there's a link in the chat there. Thing is sick as fuck. Come on now. Look at it. Just look at it, would you? If you live out in, hey, I would appreciate any support. If you know anybody that might be in the market for this type of truck, if you live out in California, out in the West Coast, you know anybody that might be looking for a badass pre-runner 4-link supercharged thing, absolutely rips. If you know anybody, let me know or let them know. I think it's got 33,000 miles on it. 34,000. We'll ship to the UAE. Maybe, I don't know about UAE, but if you want to pay for shipping. So there's a link there in the chat. All right, Nasdaq going nowhere right now. Why am I selling? Because I'm building a Raptor R. I'm building another truck, so. Deep dish or steak? Definitely going for the steak, bro. Definitely going for the steak. Nasdaq just holding up here. Got the Nvidia kind of bull flagging. Nvidia broke out of the opening range right now. Nasdaq broke out here. Good time to be patient. Just sitting back here looking at all the different stuff going on in the market right now. We're up right now $8,000 in my live account. And just kind of sitting back, waiting and watching here. Yeah, skates. There's a link there in the chat. Link in the chat for the truck. Share it with your friends, your grandma, your mom, your uncles, everybody. Let them know that I'm selling a truck. Badass truck, by the way. It's badass. That's right. Badass. It's like, that was a quick pullback, but look at that rip back up here. Wow. This candle, that was a wild candle. Wasn't that wild? Like a... That was a wild candle there. Off the lows now. Just holding up here at the top of the 15-minute range for now. ES, Nasdaq, everything is kind of sitting here, not going anywhere quick. Right now, just kind of stuck here at that EMA there. Stuck at the EMA for now. A little bit of trouble there. Bulls just don't have the power to get through here right now. Got a lot of wicks here. This is why, I mean, the ES is going absolutely nowhere right now. ES is going nowhere. Gold's flat. The Dow. That is not very pretty. Looking at the 15-minute chart here on the ES, you would think that looking like trouble here. If we start to put in another lower high on the Nasdaq, maybe, I don't know. By the way, My Fun and Futures, 33% off the 100K and 150K accounts today with the code PW. You know who does it the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the bestest, the deals of the day. 33% off, lightning, limited time only. Check them out. It's hot, hot, hot. That's right, that's right. All right, well, Nasdaq pumping here again. Should I go long? We got Nvidia holding up. Good time to be patient, I guess. How much does MFFU pay me? $1 million a month. Will Strange, yes, why wouldn't they? Duh, everyone knows that. I posted it on my Twitter, okay? Literally me with the CEO, okay? Okay. Can't make these things up, okay? Okay, look at me, I'm literally, it's me. It's me. It's me, look at that. Oh my God, I'm beautiful. Why was I smiling so hard? Smiling so hard because I had $1 million in my pocket. know what the best part about being rich is? Knowing that when you walk into a room, you're the richest fucker in the room. I have an app on my phone. When you get really rich, they have this app that they sell that you can like sign up for, and it lets you know. It lets you know whenever there's like another rich person around you, and you guys can compare and be like, oh, my phone just alerted me that there's somebody else here that has 1.3 million. And I'm like, well, I got 1.4, you know? It's a real thing. Lower high or what? All right, just sitting back here, being patient right now. We're just kind of holding up here. I do feel like the Nasdaq wants to go higher, but might have to wait for that 1050. Opening range settings. Nothing really out of the norm, to be honest. There's my opening range settings here. Take a picture. It'll last longer. Five-minute chart is kind of looking good here. There's that push once again. The push once again there. Might have to get long. What do we think? Try the longy dongies or let it ride? So just chop it around there. Five-minute candle, like. What a funky chart right now. Kind of like an inverse head to shoulder maybe playing out right now, a little. And then the up. Maybe. Someone in the chat said 23,400 next. Short, short, short. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, chat. I don't know if that's I don't know if it's a sign from God above, but it might be foreshadowing. Imagine what if the really bad traders, right? You know, people always be like, man, God never does nothing for me. You know, like God never helps me out. You know, people be saying, not that I say that, but I'm blessed, all right. But I'm saying, you know, people be like, man, God, he don't ever answer my prayers. You know, God don't ever answer my prayers. But then you'd be like, wait a second. What if the prayer has been answered? What if God has been sending retards to the live stream chat this whole time to let us know when to get long or to get short? What if this is all a divine intervention? It's divine intervention. So now I've always believed in God. What you talking about? God has been sending the retarded to save us. It all makes sense now, I'm telling you. Amen, brothers and sisters. Ruben is a angel from above. He's a beautiful angel. Every time I see Ruben, I'm like, you beautiful, beautiful angel. God told me that the market was gonna drop like a coconut, and it went straight up. I'm not. Y'all think I'm joking, but I think I'm serious. I'm being serious. I'm really feeling it right now. I'm feeling this. I feel some divine intervention. I might have to put a trade on here. Just because. Someone said, Ruben dropped down from heaven like a coconut with a message from God. Now that was just wrong. That was wrong, Nugent. You too funny. That was kind of funny, actually. Ian Daniel, should we go short? Hey, should we go short, Ian Daniel? What do you think, Ian Daniel? What do you think, Mr. Ian? Is this a good time to get short, you think? Like right now? Should we go right now? You know? Market trying to push up there. Trying to get this push up through the 550s now. Just a little bit of love. Just a little bit of love. Oh man, I kind of want to get long. But I don't know, I might be hysterical right now. Talking about divine intervention. ES is curling up, Nasdaq's curling up. Let's try it. Trading with the divine intervention. Just need 10 holy points. 10 holy points. Just give me 10 holy points. 10 holy points. We got divine intervention on our side today, boys. Bless him holy. Holy divine intervention. He looking for them 10 points. Can I get an amen? Divine intervention. I want that amen. Praise the Lord as he has made it go higher. Imagine somebody actually watching this video right now and being like, what in the fuck did I just find? What did I just find here on YouTube? We got a preacher. We got a preacher over here. Oh shit, no divine intervention. Not good, not good. I take it back, I take it back, I take it back. I take it back, I take it back, I take it back, I take it back. Ruben is shorting every top. Oh God, we're all fucked. The market maker has spoken. The market maker has spoken. The coconut is about to drop. Shorting every top. The coconut is about to drop. It's about to drop, chat. Get ready. I hope it don't drop on my head. This is the tightest my coconut has ever been. Oh God, it hurts. Coconut, coconut, don't do it to me, coconut! Coconut! Come on, the coconut! Don't you do it! Don't you do it! Ruben is short on every fucking stop! On every top, he's short. He don't give a fuck. Ruben don't give a fuck. I'm moving my target higher. The coconut. I will fuck your coconut right in the goddamn hole, boy. Take your coconut back to wherever you come from. I don't want it. Come on. I'll make a pina colada out of your coconut, boy. I'll make a pina colada out of your coconut. Is it just me, or does anyone else think I can't play your video on speakers in front of kids? Yeah, well, I mean, I would definitely not let your kid watch this, because they might learn something. They might learn how to be a man. They might learn about coconuts, how to make some money. Teach your kids how to make money, kids. Hey, kids, watch the live stream. Learn how to make some money. Stop being broke like your parents. Stop being a bunch of broke bitches like your parents out there, kids. Yeah. Coconuts. Ooh-wee. 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 Coconuts. Daddy like to party. He like to party. He like to party. Daddy like to party. He want to party. He like to party. He like to party. Chill about the parents, a little out of the wine. Hassan Muhammad, I guarantee you're broke. I guarantee you're broke. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. If me saying tell your parents to chill out, tell your parents not be broke, I guarantee you're offended because you're broke, aren't you? Just tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth right now, I dare you. I bet you don't have fucking 4 screens. I bet you don't have 4 screens, Mohammed. Exactly. I promise you, I'm 18. 250,000. What does that even mean? You're 18 years old? Get out of here. Got no time for you. Hey, what happened, chat? It went higher. But the coconuts. Ruben, somebody check out Ruben. Someone call Ruben now. He said he's been shorting every top here. Ruben, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Ruben? Where'd you go, Ruben? Ruben, the coconut. The coconut. What is my P&L on the day? I don't even fucking know, man. It's more money than anything you've ever made. Let's think about that. Every day, people ask me, they're like, Patrick, how much money did you make today? Patrick, how much money did you make today? And I'm like, more money than you've ever made. You know, so what's it even matter? You know what? Why does it even matter? It don't even matter. Because you couldn't even understand what it was like if you could understand it. You know what I mean? Like, it's just the truth. It's just the truth, people. You're never gonna understand what it's like. I'm rich. I'm a rich bitch, and I like it like this. Rich bitch. All right, in my real money account, $9,260. That's right, $9,260. Real money, real money, real money. It's real money, not fake money. It's real money. Yeah. Ruben Garcia, shorting, shorts. Oh, I love Ruben. Nvidia making new highs. Ruben's green now because he's been shorting all morning when he could have got long and been very, very green. Ruben, you could have been a lot more green if you would have just been long all morning. And instead of trying to short the top all morning. You know, think about that, Ruben. Think about that, Ruben. It's a true story. I'm not even joking right now. It's a true story. It's true. You could be, but you choose not to be. Because you don't want to be. You do not want to be like water, Ruben. You do not want to be water. You want to be something else. You want to deny the PW-ness. The holy of the PW-ness. You cannot understand what we are cooking here. Oh man, I was up 11,000. I was, and then it pulled back. All right, we're so close. We're so close. We're up 11,000 right now on the day of my Nvidia position here. I like it. 2,500 shares, Nvidia, just riding it to the moon. Oh my God, Nasdaq's pulling back, and Ruben's getting rich. God damn it. Ruben's short, Ruben's short, Ruben's short, and Ruben's short. Here we go. Get ready. Here he goes. 2 seconds from now, Ruben's gonna write. There he goes. There he goes. Come on, Ruben. We're gonna get. I cannot wait for it. I can't wait for it. I told you, coconut come dropping. Look at that. And now he's green. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I couldn't have predicted that, could I have? I could not have predicted the fact that Ruben would say he was green. I would. How did I even know? I could have even told you. I could have told you. You know, I could have told you. You know, I could have told you. I could have told you. Now, what do you say? And I'm holding, not selling? What are you holding? What the fuck? Wait, hold on a second. What are you holding right now? You're long right now? What is that? You said you're holding and not selling. Wait. If you're short, doesn't that mean you're not buying? I'm confused. Hold on a second. So you're not selling your shorts. How much can you just sell your shorts to me? I want to buy. You sell me your shorts. Dylan said he's still long from the first time that Ruben said to short. That would have been all the way down here at the bottom. Dylan's long from right here, 23,443. That's funny. That's funny. I hope it crashes down to the VWAP so that Ruben can post in the chat about how much money he made. Come on, let's get it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Crash it down to the VWAP. Come on, Nasdaq. ES looking like some trouble. Nasdaq looking like it's in trouble. The Dow still making new lows. The Dow making new lows right now. Very interesting. I mean, Ruben has a point. The fact that the rest of the market's selling off, the Nasdaq's kind of just holding up here. You got Nvidia just really pumping this market up. I think as long as Nvidia keeps kind of pumping, Nasdaq will keep pumping as well. I'd like to see Nvidia kind of break to the downside. Nvidia is holding NQ. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, chat. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, chat. You're not wrong. How many people we got watching right now? 4,800 people. Let's go. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. The most watched man on YouTube. That's right here. Why would you go anywhere else? You know what I mean? Why would you go anywhere else? You'd be fool. You'd be a fool. I pity the fool. I pity the fool that would ever go any other YouTube. I pity them. I absolutely pity them. Just kidding. Maybe not. I don't pity them, but like, kinda. I pity them a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, well, Nasdaq just kind of pulling back down here now, being patient. See what happens here between like 10:50 and 11 o'clock. We might get a little bit of volatility, a little bit more action, a little bit more move here. Good time to stay patient, right? Stay patient. Wait for the setups to come to us. There is no need to force trades. You know, nice and easy, baby. That's all we got to do here. That's all we got to do. So I started these new My Funded Future accounts today. We made 2,900 and then 1,600 to celebrate the new My Funded Future 33% off deal right now. So kind of messing around with those. You guys saw that trade there earlier from the 47s up into that, but also still trading my personal account as well. We're up $9,200 in my live money account. Nasdaq continue to kind of just grind back up. Little pops, little drops, stuck here for now. Being patient, waiting to see what can happen. Right now, like I said, My Funded Futures, 33% off the 100K, the 150K account. Use the code PW, the best deals always. All right, I really want to, like I said, I think 11 o'clock, we could get a little pump here, break out of this area. I mean, it's already kind of pumping right now, actually. Already kind of pumping right now. Right there through the 550s again. Times it almost 10:50 now. I mean, I personally think we're just fucking consolidating for the next push up. The fact that Nvidia is just like sitting at the highs, sitting at the highs right now. Nvidia has earnings on Wednesday. You know, a lot of times you get a bit of a pump before the earnings, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. I mean. Still pumping. Nasdaq up there through the 60s now. Getting a little bit more movement here before the 10:50 to 11 o'clock macro for the ICT traders to really move the market here. We're going to get the market moving here, boys. Them ICT traders are coming in hot. 10:50 to 11. Look at the pump. Oh, good Lord. So much for the coconuts. Sometimes the coconuts like to go up, up, up. That's right. What you know about them coconuts? What you know about them coconuts? Coconut. What you know about that coconut, right? Coconut, look at that thing, still going higher. Nasdaq making new highs here once again. The shorts, so much for the shorts. What happened to the shorts? Where'd they all go? You know? Where'd they all go? Come back. Come back with the coconuts.
She drank and poured up. She put the lime in the coconut. She drank and poured up. She put the lime in the coconut. She drank and poured up. She put the lime in the coconut. She called the doctor, woke him up and said, "Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take?" I said, "Doctor, to relieve this bellyache." I said, "Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take?" I said, "Doctor, to relieve this bellyache." Now let me get this straight. Put the lime in the coconut, to drink them all up.
Put the lime in the coconut, drink them all up. Put the lime in the coconut, drink them all up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink them all up. Put the lime in the coconut. Oh man, I love trading. You guys love it? Anybody else love it? You know, I just fucking love it. Honestly, it's just fun. You know, like if you don't love doing this shit, you don't like waking up in the morning and do it. You know, like if this ain't your dream, if you're not thinking about fucking this, if you're not waking up in the middle of the night thinking like, you know, like I wake up dreaming sometimes. I'm like, fuck, I woke up, thought I was up $1 million. You know, oh, I'm up $1 million. And then you find out it's not real life. And then you're like, oh no, 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 no. I do that all the time. Anybody else do that? I swear it's like a real thing. Nobody else? Really? Nobody else like wakes up in the middle of the night thinking that you had a trade on, you made $1 million? I swear it happens all the time. I wake up, I'm like, oh fuck, I got a trade on. And then I look at my phone, no trade open. I'm like, damn it. Thought I did. Doctor! Doctor! We got Nvidia making new highs. We got Apple making new highs. She ain't done just yet, boys. All up, you put the lime in the coconut, you drink them all up. Put the lime in the coconut, you're such a silly woman. Put a lime in the coconut and drink them both together. Put the lime in the coconut, then you feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, drink them both down. Put the lime in the coconut and call me in the morning. Woo, ain't there nothing you can take? I say woo. Nasdaq pushed up there, closed the gap all the way back to the 550s again. We're getting some volatility here between 10:50 and 11 o'clock. Put the lime in the coconut and drink them all up. Nvidia trying to get up there to that 180 level. Nvidia broke out to the upside opening range this morning, making a big move up. Nasdaq up here. ES is just stuck right now. ES going nowhere. ES is stuck over there. Looking to see if the ES starts to make a better move up. Maybe the Nasdaq will start to break out from yesterday's or Friday's close there at the 570 area. But for right now, just kind of holding on here. Holding on. Like a. Ibiza, 1999. Oh, it's gonna get hot. It is summertime still. Ibiza. Nasdaq having some trouble here at the 550s for now. A little bit of a bear flag there at the 560s again, but they're kind of just chopping around there, aren't they? Just chopping it around there for now. See what happens here end of day, or not end of day, but after this 11 o'clock candle closes. 5 minutes until that happens. Back to the VWAP, maybe the opening range high again, 520s. Trump speaking. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think that's some executive orders at 11. Back up to the highs again, 560s here. That 23,600 area just makes, you know, makes me interested. I wonder. If we get all the way up there to that. That's the, also if you look here, the 650 area is the Friday high now. So, well, Friday high to be looking at that previous day high. We took out the overnight lows and all this kind of work down here. Can we go higher from there is the question. Get up there above the 570s, push to the 23,600 next. High of day, we tapped yesterday, Friday's close, so. Kind of holding up here, not really moving. We start to get like, here at 11 o'clock, we might get a boner candle up through this high of day. There's that little push right now trying to go. That next area, kind of like 590s, is 50% of the opening range here. So. There's that little push going into the 11 o'clock close, or 11 o'clock candle open, 10 o'clock candle close. The Nvidia still making new highs. Nasdaq trying to push out of this 570s. I might try a long here. Fuck. Maybe a little too late now. Fuck. Little late. Should have got long here, like 565, 570s. We broke the high now. Will this be a trap? Nvidia making new highs, 180 for Nvidia now. PW, when am I going to dump my Nvidia shares? I think I might just hold it through the earnings, honestly. I don't know. I don't really see any reason to sell. Fuck it. I'll hold on into Nvidia forever. I'll never sell. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see. If we get like a 10, 15% pop, I might sell. Try to buy back in. Nvidia still just grinding higher. Apple's trying to make new highs. The ES is trying, but Nasdaq just can't get away from the 570s right now. Needs some type of momentum. I'm gonna try a little long right here with a tight stop at the lows. So either we're gonna like get a quick 10 points up there into the 80s or I'm out. Gonna need some continuation here. Come on, continuate. No, 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 no. Continuate, chat. Continuate. Might just have to get out right here. Oh, I don't know. No. I don't like it getting stuck right there at the 80s. Give it a little bit of room here. See if I can get some more push through the 80s next to take me out there. I should have went right through there, to be honest. But hey, you know, it don't always work out like you like it. That's just how it is sometimes, boys and girls. Sometimes you put a target on there and it don't always get hit. Come on, 80, push it. ES, Nasdaq trying to go. Look at the Nvidia again pushing 180 30s now. I'm gonna move this target down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, come on. I'm gonna take it right there just to take it out. Just don't like. I mean, we're at the high of day right now. It's not my favorite spot to be long at. I didn't have the best entry. FOMO'd into that, so. That 590 area is, like I said, 50% of the opening range. Having trouble getting up there through the 80s for now. I think the whole market is driving on Nvidia here. Nvidia driving. Up there through the 80s now. Oh. Dude, Nvidia's going to the moon right now, boys. Fuck. We're up 13,000 now on Nvidia there. Let's go. Nvidia's just ripping. Market's still pushing up here. I like this. I like it. I like it. What a time to be alive. So much for those coconuts. All right. Let's talk about today really quickly here. While everyone's still here, let's talk about kind of the setup this morning, what we are leaning on into the idea of the bullish setup, right? So if we look here on the chart, what do we got? What do we got? Well, we got this kind of overnight low down here, this kind of triple looking bottom thingy, all these candles, ding, 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 ding. All right, so we got all that. We had that big bull flag. We talked about this idea of doing what? We wanted to see the market at least pull back to 50% of that big boner candle from last week, that hourly candle. That was when Jerome Powell came out at the symposium talking about interest rates, all that fun stuff. I don't use the Fibonacci's, but just to show you kind of why I was looking at that 50% pullback area, and that's where it's at. 50% of that pullback, that big boner candle, the high, the low of that candle. That's all I'm looking for, all right? So now that I know that, like, logically, I'm like, okay, I know that these fucking Fibonacci traders, they're all fucking fired up now. They like that. They like that pullback there. The bulls like that pullback. Okay, we're at 50%. So at open, what do we needed to do here? Just kind of take out those lows. Kind of a textbook bullshit play thing in the morning that the market loves to do, where, you know, it pops up, kind of takes out those little recent highs, gets everyone excited, and then dumps down, takes out these recent little lows, and then pops all the way back up, hit the VWAP, came all the way back down. We start to get tighter and tighter there in the middle of the 15-minute range. That's that line right there, 15-minute, right? Bang, bang, bang. We're in the middle of that. The bulls are laying it on. The market moves. We break out to the upside. We're above the EMAs. We get above the VWAP and all of that fun stuff. And as you can see here, check this bad boy out, right? How the market's like, EMAs are flat. They're flat. They cross right before going that big move up. We get the breakout. The bulls are in control, and now we are up here at the highs. So that's what I was looking for. Could you have taken some shorts here? Sure, whatever. But same time, what are you doing? You're fighting the trend, right? You're making it harder on yourself. I think it'd be better off to just kind of be looking for those longs. Look for a little pullback. Look for a long. Look for a bull flag. Look for something for, you know, some kind of little trap to the downside, a little pop to the upside kind of thing. So I don't see the reason to be long, be short this morning. But hey, again, you know, no personal. It's not a personal. This ain't personal. It's just business, baby. Just business. Nvidia still going to the moon right now. Nvidia up there to the 180 73s. Good Lord. Good Lord. Good Lord. Someone said they were short and lost $5,000. Why would you do? Why? Why'd you do, Billy? Why'd you do that, Billy? Why'd you get short? Don't do that. Hey, if you're going to watch this live stream, you might as well, you know, I don't know, listen to me, you know, just a little bit, like, you know, just a little bit. Maybe just like, don't, like, I'm not like financial advice, you know, like, you don't have to do exactly what I'm saying, but like, if I'm not thinking it's a short, then it probably ain't a short. But hey, I've been wrong before, you know, I'll be honest, I've been wrong. I ain't always perfect, but I mean, you know, I just mean what I mean what I mean, you know what I mean? Got it. Deal. All right. Market up there to the highs, sitting right there at the close from Friday there. Nvidia, look at Nvidia. I can't even, where the fuck's Nvidia? Nvidia going to the moon right now. Nvidia up there to the 180s. Baby Jesus, I'm a happy daddy. Big daddy house. The question is, do I take profit? I'm up 15,000 right now. Do I take profit on this? Or do I just let it ride? You know, it's always like, what do you do? I got long last Friday. I got an average. My average is 175. I got some at 173, 174, and 170, a little bit high, but yeah. I don't know, man. Nvidia to the moon right now. I'm trying to think how high can Nvidia go before, I mean, maybe back to the 182s here. Fuck, that'd be pretty wild. We got Nasdaq NQ making new highs. The NQ making some new highs here. Like I said earlier, we got My Fund and Futures right now 33% off on the 100K and 150K accounts. They've got two different types of accounts. If you're a My Fund and Futures trader customer, this might be one of the better deals that they've had in a while. They don't always have the cheapest deals, but they got really fast payouts, and I think most people are pretty happy with their service. That's the great thing about the prop firm space right now, is that there are so many options out there, right? There really are. There's so many options that you can really choose the prop firm that works best for you. You know, it ain't, you don't have to settle. You know, you don't have to settle. Trump speaking? Where's he at? Trump signs executive orders ending cashless bail for DC. Bro is really, he's really on one for DC right now. I think we should move the capital of America out of DC. You know, let's move it to Florida. I think we should just move the White House to Mar-a-Lago, right? We called Mar-a-Lago, make that the new fucking White House. Be way better, right? Just get rid of all the federal buildings. Just get rid of them all, you know? We should be like a European Union. The states of America. Just like the European Union, you know? No more federal government. Only have the states. Yeah, I want AOC at Mar-a-Lago. No more states. Everybody, I think Florida's take over. I think actually how we should do it. I gotta play it actually. Nasdaq's still going higher, by the way. So much for those coconuts dropping. So much. Look at it, Nvidia, Nasdaq still going higher, whatever, you know, hey. I don't know nothing. Don't listen to me, people. I'm an idiot. But look at it, still going. She's still going up. Yeah, that's cool. Whatever, no big deal. But yes, again, let's focus on the business here of the government, right? We get rid of the federal government. We let the states, it's dog-eat-dog world. You know, whatever states are better than the other states, those are the states that get a win, right? That's all it comes down to. New rule, you know? Pretty much Florida wins. Is Ruben's he's been shorting every top, baby. Don't worry. I've heard, if you guys are still here, make sure you stay tuned for Thursday. Well, don't stay tuned, but be here Thursday. Thursday is gonna get wild. I paid a lot of money for a lot of strippers and like all kinds of. It's gonna be like Wolf of Wall Street up in this bitch for my birthday. Why? I'm gonna see how far can I push the envelope on Thursday. That's my plan. We're gonna see. Will YouTube ban me? You know? Ruben said, check my Instagram. I just uploaded a video if you want to see my P&L. Ruben, can I ask you a question though? Someone said, am I going to throw little people? That's a pretty good idea. Should I get some little people? Ginger, we need some little people. Get the little people. Hire some little people for Thursday. I'm getting some little people. I forgot about the little people. We are going to be all inclusive of all the people here. Yes. Thank you, chat. Great idea. Great idea. We're going to have some little people. We're going to have all kinds of fun. And by the way, don't forget, there is a link in the chat. There's my address for my P.O. box. If you want to send a package for my birthday, if you want to send me a dildo or something like that, whatever you're into, I won't judge. Mark Colo said my birthday is the 28th. Can I come to the party? Oh, Mark, do you have any hot blondes? Mark, if you bring 5 hot blondes, you can come to the party. Because I don't want to mess up the numbers. Right now, the numbers are looking real good. Right? I mean, little people, they only count as like, so if there's 2 little dudes, that's like 1 dude, right? For the sausage party. So that's 1. That's me, 2 little dudes. That's 3, we'll say 3 dudes with like 20 girls. The odds are in my favor. The odds are in my favor. The odds are looking good. Your address is good for Amazon. Yes, it is. What color dildo? Black or white? Maybe like an American one. You got like an American flag one? All right, well, Nasdaq just kind of grinding higher here, going nowhere quickly. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Mark said, I'm blonde. I don't vibe with blondes. I bring Latinas. Oh, they got blonde Latinas now. Don't worry. You can get whatever flavor you want, my friend. Every flavor of the rainbow. They got purple hair Latinas. They got blonde Latinas. They got pink hair Latinas. They got orange hair Latinas. They got yellow hair Latinas. Which MFFU account do you prefer? I bought, which one did I get? They sent me some this morning. I'm like sitting here thinking about, I don't know, I don't think this is the long right now, but I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? Nvidia pushed right up there to that pivot point. Look at that. Even on, this is the equity market. This is the equities, guys. Equities. You know what equities are? This is the equity market, right? Look at Nvidia. Look at it. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia got right there to the pivot point and then got stuck. So pivot points, they work, I think. They're real. Pivot points are real. I'm a real boy. All right. My Fund of Future accounts. They got 3 options. They got the scale plan. The 33% off is only for the 100K and the 150K. So you have the pro account. The pro account, no activation fee, end of day drawdown. The scale plan is end of day drawdown. You got 9 contracts for the 150K account. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do. There's a scaling rule once you get into the funded account. But yeah, this is. I'm trying to figure out like what the. Oh my God, Nasdaq's going to the moon right now. So much for that. So much for that coconut. You know what I mean? No more coconut for you, boy. No more coconut for Mr. Coconut, boy. No coconut for you, daddy. You don't. No coconut for you. No coconut for you. Nasdaq up there to the 23,596s. Is it hard to be a Virgo because you feel like everyone's a dumbass? I mean, it's not that it's not that I think I'm like I just think, I just think that most people are just retarded. And I'm also retarded. But I think my retarded is like the good kind of retarded, right? Like I'm so retarded that like it plays in my favor. Because like other people, they think logically, right? But the problem is the world is illogical. Money is illogical. Business is illogical. I know that sounds crazy. I know, right? But like to really make money, to really become successful, you gotta be able to see some type of opportunity that nobody else sees. You gotta be able to do something better that nobody else can do. For me, I was like, hey, I can make a YouTube channel. I can be really good at talking about day trading. And I saw my competition and I'm like, oh yeah, these guys are fucking retarded. And like, but like in a bad way, right? They're not like in a good way retarded. Like I'm like a good retarded. I'm like, damn, Patrick, he definitely got Down syndrome, but he funny retarded. Some people you see him and you're like, that guy, he bad retarded. He not like a good retarded. So I definitely feel like I got lucky in that sense. When I was born, the doctor told my mom, I swear to God, this is a true story. Ain't nobody ever believing me, but I swear to God, it's a true story. The doctor, he told my mom, he told her, he's like, yeah, your son, he might have, he might be retarded. Just because my head was so big. And guess what, doctor? I'd love to find that fucking I'm gonna find that motherfucker. I'm gonna find him. I'll say, look at me now, motherfucker. Look at me now, doctor. Who's retarded now, Mr. Doctor? Mr. Doctor, you think you're so smart? How much money do you make, Mr. Doctor? And I say, well, you make, and guess what? How much money I make? I make mucho dinero el moro than you owe, okay? So go ahead and just sit down, Mr. Doctor. You know what I mean? That's what I said. Large coconuts. You and the doctor are both employees. Whoa, whoa. How am I an employee? Wait a second. How wait a second, Chad. What do you mean? Curtis Mercher said, how's it going today, Patrick? Missed the live. Oh my God, you missed it? Bro, you should have been here, Curtis. You should have been here, man. I would tell you exactly what happened, but I can't. There's my address on the stream if you want to send me a gift for my birthday out. We're going to be doing, I'm going to be opening the presents live on YouTube on Thursday. I want to see some funny shit. Come on, somebody help me out here. I don't have any friends in real life, so I need my chat to buy me gifts. I got no friends at all. I make no money trading. I got no friends. I got a little dick. I'm fat. My girlfriend don't like me because she just with me for the money. I'm getting old. My hair's falling out. Man. What do I'm in trouble. Not much to live for anymore. Other than this 33% off deal with My Funny Future. Oh my God. I wear extra large shirts. Extra large. Extra large. I got big boobies. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at it? Why would anyone get short today? Tell me why. I want to make a lesson for the chat, for everybody watching, right? Why we didn't get short. Let's just talk about that. Why? We don't need to, right? You know, because everyone be like, but Patrick, I could have got short there, and I could have covered here. I could have got short there. I could have covered here. I could have got short here. I could have got. Yeah, well, you could have, should have, would have. Shut the fuck up. How about this? Let's just not fight the fucking trend, right? Hey, market's consolidating for the first fucking 30 minutes, right? Market just chops around for the first 30 minutes, and then what are you gonna do? It's gonna break out to the upside, and then what are you gonna do? What's your idea? You know, what's your reaction? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking? Think about it. Oh my God, Patrick, the market just broke out. It's been consolidating for 30 minutes. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna get short, right? I'm fucking a genius. Patrick, did you know I went to college and I'm a genius, because if the market breaks out to the upside, clearly I should go short, right? Like, hey guys, hey look, just look at it. Hey everybody, look, just look, the market, it went up. So what am I going to do? I'm going to short. Let's think about it like this, right? If the market would have dumped lower, would you have been looking to get short, or would you have been looking to get long? Think about that. You know what I mean? Like, think about that. If the market would have broke below the 440s, would you have gotten short? Or would you have gotten long? Anybody? I mean, it ain't rocket science. The point is, why, if everybody's going to get short if we broke the lows and went lower, why would you be getting short if we broke the highs and went higher? I mean, I see people in the chat saying you would have went long, but like in theory, you know, you probably should have went short. But what I'm saying here, the point of the story is don't get lost in the confusion. You know, too many words for the chat sometimes, it hurts the brains. Think about it like this: if you would have gotten short you know, down here, then why in the fuck would you get short up here? That's all. I mean, it's that simple. You know, that is literally just, it's that simple. And don't say, oh, Patrick. But there was a good short. It's not like it's, guys, you can say all you want. Yeah, but I got a really good short from 550 to the 540s. 10 points, Patrick. I'm a genius. Yeah, well, you could have gotten long at any point here. You could have gotten long. Let's say you would have gotten long at 550. You'd be up 40, 50 points right now. You know, like, it's just why. I get it. I get that everybody wants to be a fucking genius and everybody wants to point out that it's a short, the market's a short. But again, guys, going back to the bigger picture, look at the hourly chart. We just had huge news last week with Powell coming out and saying that there will be rate cuts coming, right? We've got a huge driver in the market right now with Nvidia. Look at Nvidia ripping up here. Guys, come on. I'm trying to help you. You know, I really am. But ain't nobody listening to me. You can always short, you can always go long. I get it. On every fucking level. But the point is, can you do it bigger and better? Hey, where's that truck at? Is it like buried in your office? Yeah, and then we go to lunch, and then we'll film it. All right, I got Jason ready to go, so whenever you get here, we're ready. All right, I'll drive one of my trucks, and we'll just like all we literally need is like some phone video. You know what I mean? Yeah, just some content. Yeah, well, I don't think people really know that thing is like, because when you really read the ad, you don't really know it's fucking like a monster. Yeah, exactly. It looks like it's way too tame. People are like, oh, it's just a F-150. You know, with the supercharger, like, no. Relax, people. It's a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, a little more ponies. All right. We need to show the ponies. All right. See you in a little bit. Oh, but yes, again, we had huge news, right? Jay Powell coming out and saying simply that, hey, rate cuts are coming. The market has been waiting for Jay Powell to announce that he's going to cut rates for how long now? So what, you think the first fucking day after the big pump, market's going to crash? No, chat. No. No! Even though the Dow is selling off here, but hey. All right, I'm up 16,000 on my Nvidia long right now. 16,000. Look at this thing still ripping higher. Oh, man. What do I do, chat? What do I do? What do I do, chat? What do I do? Oh, I'm up almost 10,000 today alone. Oh, fuck. It's just easier to go long, almost no trade management needed. I mean, whatever. But yeah, again, it's like, look, guys, look at the fucking hourly chart. Is this not the most bullish? Is that hey, if this don't get you fucking excited, if this ain't fucking easy as like if you don't look at this and go, oh man, I wonder what that is. Hey everybody, let me think. That looks like a bear flag. Look at that big old bear flag. Wait, hold on a second. That's a bear. I'm gonna go short. Like, why? You got an hourly fucking bull flag, and your first reaction is let's get short. You know, let's get short. Look at the 4-hour chart. Let's get short, guys. Come on, it's genius. Come on. Come on. Bigger picture. Pretty fucking clear to see. Patrick, do you pay your taxes? Yes. Why would I not pay my taxes, Curtis? Are you trolling me now? Is that what you're trolling? You're trolling me? You guys are I'm getting trolled about my taxes now? The fuck? What the fuck? What in the actual fuck is this? There's my last payment for my taxes. $300,000. Whee! I'm rich, bitch. You know you're rich when you're paying $300,000 a quarter in taxes just because. Just because you got that big dick. Got that big dick. I got that big dick. I got that. Oh my God, Nvidia still going higher. Dude, we're getting a 2% pump today, boys. I got 2,500 shares on this thing. Well, I mean, what do I do, man? What do I do? I'm rich. That's my IRS auditor right there in the chat. He watches my live stream live on YouTube. Everybody wants you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Trying to think about what else I need to do today. What else do I need to do today? Making some money, doing it live on YouTube. We had some news this morning, 33% off. Dude, oh my God. Look at this one. Dude, that's good. Oh my honey bunny. Where's my girlfriend? I hope she's watching right now. Look at that fuck. I'm taking that photo and putting it on my new Instagram. Look at that thing. That is a fucking, that right there, my friends. Put me on look at my, that is, the best part is the AI had my little receipt. That is the most AI looking photo of me I've ever seen. Are you kidding me? That's me in 20 years. Little pullback here. Nasdaq pulling back. Let's see what else we got to talk about here today. Oh, I found a Discord seller's daily driver driving around trying to get some kids to join his Discord. Like, how is that van not just a meme? You know, like people will be like, oh man, don't be judgmental and be like, let's like look at that van. Like, where did that guy even get that van? Like, you know, like, did he go get that van and like he told him like, yeah, hey, I want a van that looks very suspect. You know, like, I want a real suspect looking van that says preschool on the side. Like, what the fuck? Who sold this van to him? What's going on in that van? Nobody knows. We had a little car show on Saturday. My little car, little billionaire man. Victoria always looking good. The Lamborghinis. Pretty decent little pullback here. Trump's talking. Trump's taking questions right now. Trump's taking questions. Nasdaq's pulling back here. Just kind of hanging out here, seeing if anything kind of crazy happens while Trump's talking right now. Big little, decent little pullback there. We got Nvidia earnings on Wednesday. The market will be hinging on pins and needles. CHIPS Act. We'll pop right back up here again. Well, they're keeping the party going right now. Little pullback, right to pop back up there. 5-minute chart holding the EMAs. We got the close from Friday there, 570 area key level. I still see no reason to get short. I know. Someone's gonna be like, yeah, but this is the top. Hey, that's fine. But, you know, I already made my money for the day. I'm up $10,000 on the day now. And, just sitting back here chilling. So let's see what happens. But like I said earlier, if you guys are not going to be here on Thursday, make sure you're here on Thursday. Shit is going to get wild. We got stuff planned, let's just say. Patrick, what do you think about shorts? Good day to be wearing them. Good day to be wearing shorts, if you know what I mean, you know? It's a good day to be wearing some. Oh. Just kind of like holding up here, looking at it now. Can't really get long right here. I think we might dip down another, like, could get a little bit, maybe a deeper pullback before making another move up here today. 11:42, going into the lunchtime hour. See, it's so weird for me, like, to go from, you know, this being an hour of price action, 10:30 there or whatever, and then it's like, I guess it's funny because in theory we still got like 540. That's 60 points from here to here, like 100 points. So still decent. It's like market just moves so much differently. I won't say differently, but this is this is the moment that I get chopped up. This is where my green day turns into a red day, you know? Sneak says, why you gotta drill like you know how to use it? What the fuck you talking about? I build shit, motherfucker. Pfft. Idiot. I build shit, okay? I build it with my bare hands. Things that gurus post on Twitter. Hey everybody, just one and done today. I'm gonna take my green and I'm gonna get it from 171. It got 2 points. Got 2 points. Posted that out. Like, imagine. You know, like, imagine like feeling the need, right? Like, you feel the need that you need to go and post on Twitter that you got 2 points. You know, hey guys, want to keep you all updated. Just a little update, everybody. I made 2 points today. All right, yeah, see y'all tomorrow. At least 2 points, still green. I mean, I get it. It's great that it's green, but like, I just can't imagine like spending 5 minutes of my day to go on Twitter and be like, hey everybody, I made 50 bucks today. Here you go. Here's the proof. You know, like, I'm not hating that he's green. I'm just like, I'm just wondering, you know, like, did we really need to know? You know, like, what are you gonna do with those 2 points that you made today? Like, what's your goal? What's your plan for the rest of the day? You know, what are you gonna do for the rest of the day now? Oh man, you might need to have some meeting. I mean, she's still just holding up there. Just really slow. I think if we get above the 595s here, maybe that's the long entry to push back up here if we're gonna get more to the upside. Not sure I would like it, but AK asked, does it depend if Austin has 100 contracts? Trust me, He ain't trading 100 contracts. Trust me, I can guarantee he ain't trading 100 contracts. If he's posting that he got 2 points, he ain't trading, 100 contracts. Apple, Nvidia, both up today. Green on the day. I like it. I gotta go soon. I gotta fill in my truck. This is what my life's all about now. Just buying and selling cars and trucks. Oh my. Adam J said he's short personally. Hey man, it sounds like a personal problem. Sounds like a personal problem, bro. Getting real tight here. Been flirting with the idea of getting long here. Flirting with it. Should we go for it? I don't know. What time? 11:48 right now.
Cause we on course, better yet, on track like a jockey to a horse. Move.
Well, good thing I didn't get long there. Aha. Tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky. Fourth. Back. Fourth. Back. Fourth. That's the market right now, just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Once upon a time, there was a little black girl in the Brewster Projects of Detroit, Michigan. At 15, she was spotted by an Ebony fashion fair.
Uh-oh.
And her modeling career.
It's popping up. Uh-oh, chat. So much for Mr. Adam J, financial education and trading. Sit down, bitch. Sit down, Adam J. Go back to your financial education. Get out. We got no time for you here. Got no time, Adam J. You gotta learn to trade, brother. Brother. Classic. It's always that one guy in the chat who sits around just trying to promote his own little thing. I have screenshots of our conversations last year, bud. What screenshots? Oh shit, he's got screenshots. Oh, not Not the screenshots. Hey guys, I wonder what the screenshots could say. What could they be? Wait, Adam, did I send you my dick? Hold on a second. Did I send you a dick pic? Wait, were you that guy? There was one guy who was really hitting me up trying to get a dick pic. I forgot what his name was. I forgot which name. Nah, I guess it wasn't that guy. Never mind. Wasn't him. Somebody else. Dude, this music's going hard. Chat, why is it going higher? There's a guy in the chat who said he got financial education, and now it's going higher, but he's still short. Why? Mobility 90, but PW vacations on me. What? Seems a little suspect, bro. Like a little gay. That just seems a little gay. Just a little tiny bit gay. Yo. Yeah, where are you at? I thought you were already on the way. I've been sitting here waiting. See you in a minute. This is the Nasdaq. This is Adam J's butthole. Is that gonna get me canceled? Don't worry though, Adam J, he's got screenshots. He's got screenshots, don't worry, chat. Oh, what'd he say? Tradeovate. Oh yeah, Shoreline family. 100% Tradeovate. Not rhythmic and not wealth charts. Definitely Tradeovate. Definitely. Adam J, hasn't broken the high. You're a trip. I'm the same guy who told you to go to car shows last year. You said that's for losers. Yeah, car shows are for losers. That's why I only go to supercar shows. Big difference, Adam J. I'm not driving my Honda Civic to the local, laundromat for everyone to look at my Honda fucking Civic. I'm driving my Lamborghini, my McLaren, my Ferrari. What do you got, Adam J? What do you got? Don't come to my stream and tell me how to live my life. Nothing wrong with the Honda Civics, they're nice. Hey, poor people gotta drive something, Nothing wrong with being poor and having a nice little Honda Civic. Nothing wrong with that, I know Civics that will make your Lambos look like an overly expensive toy. Oh, yeah, you know what else I know? Yeah, I know girls with dicks. Exactly. See? Yeah. Wow. Doesn't mean I want to hang out with them. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Hey, Patrick. I know Civics that are faster than your Lambo. Yeah, well, you know what else? You probably know. Probably know where there's a girl with a dick. You got me. Hey, trust me, ain't no girl care about how fast your Civic is. And trust me, they don't care about how fast my Lambo is either. You're doing it all wrong, man. You're doing it all wrong. You gotta work on your presentation. Aaron, Chija, here I am, green again. Thanks for the love. I mean, I got a GTR. I got an 800 horsepower GTR R34. I got a 600 horsepower R33. Okay, I know about that import life. Let me see your let me see my GTR race your Honda Civic, bro. You know? I got a Liberty Walk Ferrari. You know, I got it. Look at that thing. Liberty Walk Ferrari. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Hey, King Tone, yes, I get it. Everybody can build a car that's faster than a Lambo. That's not the point. Nobody buys a Lambo because they're fast. I don't own a Lambo because it's fast. You know what I mean? Like, nobody really gives a fuck. And that you know, like, it's the argument of like, yeah, you know, you bought a Lambo. That's so stupid. My Honda Civic is faster. It's like, well, yeah, nobody's buying a Lambo because they're fast. I don't even like driving my Lambo. It has nothing to do with the drivability. It has nothing to do with the speed of it, you know. When you get so rich, you just buy shit because you can, right? There is no reason. You don't buy a car because you're like, man, that car's only got 800 horsepower. Damn, I could have a Honda Civic with 900 horsepower for only $50,000, you know? Yeah, well, you know what? I got a 1,000 horsepower Mustang. Okay. Ain't nobody caring about how much horsepower your Honda Civic got. Where's the market going? Well, right now it's going nowhere, but I know Nvidia's going up. Nvidia at the highs again. If this Nvidia trade prints, man, if it prints, I'm gonna be rich. So rich. Trying to see how much money I tell you. You know the weirdest thing about like the better you get at trading, the more money you make. The weirdest thing is like the levels of it, right? You know, like you go from like making $5,000 in a day, and you're like that. You think that is fucking crazy, right? And then you make less, and you make 10,000 in a day. You think that's crazy. And then you make 20,000, and you make 30, and it's just like, it just keeps growing, and it just gets to a point where you're like, oh my God, I really could make I can just make money, right? Just like insane amounts of money. I can just just buy, sell, make money, follow my plan, have my strategy, just make money, right? And it's just crazy. It's just crazy when you think about it, just the way that it goes, you know, just the evolution of it all, you know? It's just the evolution, man. It goes up, it goes down, you know, fugazi, nobody really knows. But what I do know is that you can't make money unless you buy or you sell. You got to buy, you got to sell, you got to do something to get in. Woo! There it is. I think I'm done for the day, to be honest. 12 o'clock, I got to go pee. And then I got to go get some food. And then I got to make some money later. And then I got to do a long day. I'm getting a massage at 5. My birthday's on Thursday. You're not going to want to miss out Thursday. I'm telling you, the shit is going to get wild. 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 There it is. If you guys haven't hit the like button, subscribe button, go ahead and do it.
With those laser beams.